Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna be sharing with you a very beautiful hat for 1 to 3 year baby girl, and I am using number 5 steel crochet hook, which is equal to 2mm crochet hook and 3 ply baby soft yarn. You can use 4 ply baby soft yarn as well for this project. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring of chain like this, and we have to work into this ring of chain. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain, draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch, which is our second double crochet. Now make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and in this way make total of 12 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. 12 double crochet stitches are completed. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Here in this third chain, make a slip stitch. Our first round is completed. Now we would start our second round. For the second round, make 3 chains, which will also be counted as double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this same third chain where we have made slip stitch and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Now in the next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make double crochet 1 and then make double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Then go into the next one, make double crochet 1 and then make double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Go into the next double crochet, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So in this way make 2 double crochet stitches in each stitch of previous round till the end, and then make a slip stitch into the third chain. Second round is also completed. For the third round, make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and this is our simple stitch. Next stitch would be our increasing stitch. So in this very next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same double crochet stitch. Then the next one is our simple stitch without any increase, make 1 double crochet in it. Then the next one is our increasing stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Then make 1 double crochet in the next one and 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. So repeat this process of making 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet stitches in the next one till the end of this round. Now third round is also completed. Start the fourth round with 3 chains again. These 3 chains is our simple stitch, and in the next double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet. This is also our simple stitch. We have 2 simple regular double crochet stitches including 3 chains, and here is our third double crochet stitch. Make 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet into this same stitch because this is our increasing stitch. Now next 2 are again simple stitches. Make 1 double crochet in each of them And then next one is our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Now again next two are simple. Make 1 double crochet in each of them. And after these two simple stitches, third stitch is again our increasing stitch. Make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So make 2 double crochet stitches in every third stitch of this round till the end. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 for the fifth round. Make 1 double crochet in the next double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet into the next one. We have 3 simple stitches, and in this round fourth stitch is our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. Now next 3 stitches are without any increase. Make 1 double crochet in first one, 1 double crochet in the second one, 1 double crochet into the third one, and we have fourth stitch now. In this fourth stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. So repeat this process of making an increase in every fourth stitch. Start the sixth round with chain 3. Make 1 double crochet in the very next double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet in the next one, and 1 double crochet into the next one. We have 4 double crochet stitches here. Now into this fifth stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now next 4 stitches are our simple stitches. Make double crochet 1 in the first one, double crochet in the second one, double crochet in the third one, and double crochet into this fourth one. After these 4 simple stitches, fifth one is our increasing stitch. Make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet in this same fifth stitch. So make an increasing round by making 2 stitches in every fifth stitch. Now make 3 chains. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, then into the third one make 1 double crochet, then into the fourth one make 1 double crochet, and into the fifth stitch make 1 double crochet. After these 5 simple stitches, here is our sixth stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. This is our increasing stitch. Make an increase after every 5 stitches into the sixth one till the end of this round. For the next round, make 3 chains. Make 1 double crochet into the second stitch, 1 double crochet, third stitch, 1 double crochet into the fourth stitch, 1 double crochet into the fifth stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the sixth stitch. After these 6 regular stitches, into the seventh stitch we would make our increasing stitch. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the seventh stitch. So make an increase in every seventh stitch of this round till the end. Now the base of our hat is completed and it is approximately 5.5 inches. You can make 5.5 inches base by just decreasing the rounds using a 4-ply yarn as well. So now make 3 chains. and make 1 double crochet into the second double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet into the third stitch, 1 double crochet into the third stitch, fourth stitch, sorry. So simply we would make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches without any increasing pattern. No more increasing pattern is required from here. Simply make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches till the end of this round and repeat this round till our required width of hat is completed. So I have made all rounds. Now make 3 chains and we would make our brim part. Make 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet into the next one. These 3 stitches are simple stitches. Now we would make post stitch, which is front post stitch. So make a front post stitch like this, then make a front post stitch into the next double crochet, then make double crochet 1 in the next stitch, double crochet 2 into the next stitch, and then double crochet 3 into the next stitch. In this same third stitch we would make a front post double crochet like this. Front post double crochet stitch is made by working from the front side of stitch to the back side and then to the front side again. Rest of the stitch is same as double crochet stitch, regular double crochet stitch. Now make 3 stitches and in the same third stitch make a front post double crochet, then a front post double crochet into the next stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end of this round, making 3 double crochet stitches and into the same stitch making front post and into the next one making front post. So this pattern consists of 4 stitches. Now first round is completed for the brim part. For the second round make 3 chains, make 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3, then 1 double crochet into the next one, and after that here is our front post double crochet stitch. In this front post double crochet stitch, first of all make a regular double crochet stitch like this, and then into this same front post double crochet stitch we would make a front post double crochet by working from the front to back and then to the front side of this stitch. So make a front post double crochet in the next front post again, and after that we have 3 simple stitches. Make 1 double crochet in each of them, then into the next front post double crochet stitch. First of all make a front post double first of all make a regular double crochet, then a front post double crochet stitch into the same stitch and a front post double crochet stitch into this next front post double crochet. So this is our pattern. We would repeat this pattern for the next rounds as well by making a regular double crochet in the first front post and then a front post double crochet in it. This is our increasing pattern. So I have made 4 rounds with this pattern. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. Give it a big thumbs up.